Hey freelancers, listen up. While everyone's fighting over the same oversaturated services like basic website design and logo creation, there's a goldmine sitting right in front of you that most people are completely ignoring. Landing pages. And I'm not talking about those boring brochure style pages that convert nobody. I'm talking about high converting, psychologically driven landing pages that turn visitors into paying customers at rates that'll make your clients beg you to build more. Here's the brutal truth about freelancing today. The market is flooded with designers who can make things look pretty. But here's what business actually need and will pay premium rates for. Pages that make money. Real money. The kind of landing pages that can generate millions in revenue. And the best part? Most freelancers have no clue how to build them properly. So what exactly is a landing page? Think of it as a digital salesperson that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and works around the clock to convert your clients' visitors into leads and sales. Unlike regular websites with multiple pages and distractions, a landing page has one laser-focused goal: get the visitor to take one specific action, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a guide, booking a consultation, or making a purchase. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think a landing page is just a pretty web page with some text and a button. Dead wrong. A high-converting landing page is a carefully orchestrated psychological journey that guides visitors through a specific thought-out process, addresses their deepest concerns, and compels them to take action. The difference between a regular landing page and a high-converting one is like the difference between a street performer and a world-class magician. Both might get some attention, but only one consistently delivers jaw-dropping results that people will pay serious money for. Now, as a freelancer offering landing page services, you're not just selling web design. You're selling business growth. You're selling increased revenue. You're selling the ability to turn marketing spend into profitable returns. And that's why clients pay you 5 to 10 times more for a properly built landing page than they would for a basic website. Here's how you build these conversion machines. First, you start with the hero section. This is make or break territory. You need a headline that immediately communicates value and hooks the visitor within 3 seconds. Use a simple formula like this. We help specific target audience achieve specific result without common frustration. Then add a sub-headline that provides additional context or list the top benefits they'll receive. Next comes your visual element. This isn't decoration, it's psychology. Use images or videos that support your message and show transformation, outcomes, or build trust. Avoid generic stock photos that scream fake. Your call to action button needs to be impossible to miss. Make it high contrast and use action-focused language that tells them exactly what happens next. The second section addresses their pain points using the problem, agitate, solve framework. Start by calling out their specific problem using their exact words, not industry jargon. Then agitate that problem by showing them what happens if they don't fix it. Finally, position your client's solution as the answer they've been searching for. Throughout the page, you'll strategically place social proof sections, testimonials, case studies, review scores, clients' logos. These aren't just nice-to-haves, they're conversion necessities. Social proof removes doubt and builds the credibility needed for visitors to take action. Include a benefit section that transforms boring features into compelling outcomes. Don't say the software has advanced analytics. Say they'll finally know exactly which marketing campaigns are making them money and which ones are wasting their budget. Add video testimonials when possible. Real people sharing real results are worth their weight in gold for conversions. If your client doesn't have testimonials yet, use other forms of proof like media mentions, certifications, or guaranteed badges. Create a how it works section that shows the simple steps someone takes after clicking your button. This removes confusion and friction. People need to know what happens next before they're willing to commit. Your offer section should present a clear, valuable next step. This could be a consultation, a free resource, or a product demo, or direct purchase. Make it feel like a natural progression, not a hard sell. Include a frequently asked questions section that addresses the biggest objections and concerns. Think of this as handling sales objections before they ever get on a call with your client. Finally, end with a strong closing section that restates the core value, reminds them what's at stake if they don't act, and gives them one final compelling call to action. But here's the secret sauce that separates amateur landing pages from million-dollar ones. Everything on the page must work together psychologically. The colors, the spacing, the order of information, the word choices, it's all designed to guide visitors through a specific emotional journey that naturally leads to conversion. You also need to optimize for mobile since most traffic comes from phones. Test load speeds, make buttons easily tapeable, and ensure text is readable without zooming. A slow or poorly formatted mobile experience kills conversions instantly. Track everything with analytic tools so you can measure bounce rates, conversion rates, and user behavior. This data helps you continuously improve performance and prove ROI to your clients. Most importantly, always be testing. Run split tests on headlines, button colors, images, and copy. Small changes can dramatically impact conversion rates, which means more money for your client and more value you're providing. And if you haven't noticed, this is a two-package deal. You create the landing page, and that could be it. You're done and moving to next projects. Or, on the other hand, you can also offer the tracking and improving metrics from the landing page. This way, you ensure longer-term works relationship and minimize the client's search stress. So, where can you find clients who need these high-converting landing pages? Start with business running paid advertising on Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn. They're already spending money on traffic and need pages that convert traffic into results. E-commerce brands launching new products, coaches and consultants building email lists, software companies offering free trials, and event organizers selling tickets all desperately need landing pages that actually work. You can find these clients on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, but don't stop there. Reach out directly to businesses in your network, join entrepreneurship Facebook groups, attend local business meetups, or even cold email companies whose currently landing pages are clearly underperforming. The landing page service isn't just another freelance offering. It's your ticket to premium pricing, long-term client relationships, and becoming the go-to expert that businesses trust with their most important marketing assets. While other freelancers compete on price for basic services, you'll be commanding premium rates for pages that directly impact your client's bottom line. Now, subscribe for more videos with info, guides, and inquiries of the gig economy and freelance world. Thanks, talk to you soon. GG's.